Hey everyone, we're going on a family vacation. We're getting out of the kitchen, heading to Vancouver Island on the ferry, and we're renting a vintage Boler trailer. In this series, we're exploring the east side of Vancouver Island, so let's have some fun. This is a 1972 Boler trailer. It's an oldie but a goodie. It needs a bit of love. We're getting just the initial inspection and stuff with the owner here. We rented it off a website called Outdoorsy. It's kind of like Airbnb, but for RVs and trailers. So we're starting our Vancouver Island adventure. We're going to Qualicum Falls for camping. And we are down to the wire for the ferry. They almost didn't let us on. We're just waiting to line up right now. So hopefully we get on that boat.
They say we may not make it. That the when we got there was 5% left, and because we're oversized, we have our trailer.
We couldn't find our keys.
Really frustrating.
So let's see how this goes. We missed the boat. Missed it by 3 minutes. So we had some time to kill. So we went over to a little native art gallery, and I got this cool hat here. It's by Native Northwest. And we also got this guy right here, Little Bird from Stuffed Animal House. Present for my mother-in-law. Her mother. Yeah, our second ferry is on its way in. I see the ramp going down, so we are on our way to the island.
On the boat.
Ooh.
Oh my goodness.
We're going this way.
Up?
We're going up to the top. Here's the view of everything else.
My goodness.
This is pretty steep.
Ooh, why is that? Why does that?
Old timey bicycles over here. The best way to kill time on the ferry is to just stuff your face. So join me for some food. So if you're not from BC, White Spot created their own spin-off for Blows. It's basically their, I guess, fast food version of their expensive burger restaurant. Usually you're paying like $19 to $23 for a burger combo. It's pretty steep. They're good, but they're not $25 yet. Nice pickle on top.
Wow.
Lots of bacon in there. That's a bacon cheeseburger. It's pretty big. Lots of mayo. $25 for the combo plus the ham fries. You still try that. So we're to open this Chipotle early. I don't know who made the decision, but it's like every yam fry has to come with spicy sauce. I like it, but then they made these already kind of spicy to begin with. They're getting like double spicy. Their yam fries are really good.
Lots of spice and pepper on them.
It's gonna be crispy right now. It's a little bit windy out here. I have to turn the hat around, just gonna lose it. Check out the view. Break time here. Kids are in the kid zone. The one slide. There's one slide in the car you can sit on there, have a blast. So we're almost at Nanaimo. It's actually so windy I might lose my phone. Almost there. Not landing. Docking. At Nanaimo here. And across the way in the ferry, there's also another Boler trailer. Pretty cool, huh?
Same color and everything.
Wonder if there's leaks. The ramp is coming down.
Head south on Trans-Canada Highway, British Columbia 1.
That's how I know it's BC. It doesn't work.
Is it this?
Nope, not this one. All right, so we're at camp here. Give you a little tour. We got the Boler trailer set up. Camp chef is here with the griddle. Prep zone. And a bunch of junk. Today we're making French toast for breakfast. Look at these skills from this adult that's helping me make French toast. So we're using real vanilla from Costco. Not the imitation stuff, because the imitation stuff is made from beaver butts. Little known fact. Well, a lot of people know that now, but in the 80s we didn't know that. We just eyeball it. So you eyeball that as well. Stab those yolks so they fall.
What you put in?
She's yelling at the kids. Someone's in trouble. Okay, so one of the secrets of anything sweet is add salt. Otherwise, it just tastes like sweet and nothing else. Normally, I wouldn't use flaky salt for this because it's expensive, but we'll just give some pinches in there. It looks like a lot, but because it's chunkier salt. So it has the cinnamon sugar. Normally, it's with cinnamon, but I pre-mixed it for the trip. Just a little shake. And then we're going to top this after it's cooked. We're going to thin this out with a bit more milk. That's an old Dutch trick of being cheap.
Mom's got tons of eggs, so I would add more eggs. Don't be cheap.
Well, I was thinking we would have eggs for cooking as well, because they burned out most of their eggs already.
She said she has another whole flat. She's just going to replace the eggs that she lost today.
Okay.
She brought extra for us to do this.
Okay, a couple more eggs. Today we have thick sliced bacon, and there's 14 people. One's vegetarian, so that's one less. And this has to spread between all those people. So we're going to cut that in half to make smaller pieces, so it seems like there's more bacon.
We got this
Wrong way. Turn
for
around.
$5 at a garage sale with fuel in it. It's raining, and I'm a mom and I'm tired.
Wait, this is how you light this thing.
Yeah, that's not heated, but smells like gas box.
Okay, so we just opened a hole in this just to get all the bacon juice out. We don't have like a regular sink to dump it down, so we're just gonna burn out all that juice on the bacon itself. Bacon water. We're always gonna slip that down the channel and let that go away.
So eventually it got so bad that we had to put Ohana.
Here we go. So here's another bacon kit. This will cook just fine to start. If there's not enough room, you just kind of leave it as a big block. Good.
Oh, he's not going to the wide shot. Do the wide shot. Okay, ready? Okay, good. Got it. More dramatic.
So we're driving up to Courtenay on, I can't remember what highway this is, the northern heading highway. And we're going to go dig for some fossils at the beach there. We're going to the museum, do a little tour, and then they let us loose. And we're going to dig for dinos. More like shellfish, but it's dinos.
Guys, please. Guys, together, please. Oh, that's fine.
I think he's coming back up driving off. See right here? See a fossil. See it?
Oh, Daddy, I see some teeth.
We're starting our fossil hunt. We're going under an overpass at the side of the highway. Looks like dinos are going to be in there.
goggles.
Basket.
But where we are is the Trent River. But if we went back in time to the time of the dinosaurs and came back to this place 80 million years ago, 85 million years ago,
You'd be drowning.
it didn't look like this. There wasn't a river, there weren't any trees, but we'd be on the bottom of the ocean.
See, so we would be drowning.
That's right. The water would be about 5 times higher than this. You never know which layer is going to have a fossil, because you just never know. Not every layer is going to have a fossil. But when you find one, what I'd like you to say is, Pat, I think I found a fossil.
Oh, look at that.
Who wants a clam fossil?
Me.
Can I see it?
Okay, the person that says I do usually gets it. And the smart kids figure out the best fossils come out of my hand.
I got a really cool one though. Look at this. See these little clamshells? Aren't those amazing? So you get the shell from the side and then it kind of breaks off chunks of it. And then when you take off the little sheets, that's when you can see all the little fee guys in there.
Nothing.
Classic. Oh! Anything? Show us. That's a fantastic slice that you just got there.
Slice. Oh wait, there's a clam right here.
There's a clam? Let's see.
Right there.
Oh yes! Look at that!
See? Fantastic bits. Let's get that right there. Ready? You holding it? We're back at camp for night 2, and we're doing quesadillas. Chicken, cheese, taco spice, that's it, nice and simple. So here's the view, campfire, got the griddle, chairs set up, there's the Boler trailer. All right, it's time to eat. He's gonna give these guys a little chop first. Make it a bit more manageable, easier to handle. Hopefully this thing can actually cut through it. Pretty sharp thing, but of course when you're recording, nothing wants to cut, right? Have a look, chicken, cheese, nice and steamy. And now campfire smoke's gonna get in my eye.
And it's low light right now too, so it's grainy AF. But it will be delicious.
This thing is steaming hot. Let's get a bite. It's so good. Taco spice from Costco. Never lets you down. It's awesome, especially when it's cold and it's windy. The weather's been like kind of spotty, kind of hot. It's kind of windy, kind of rainy, kind of cold. But nice hot food makes it better. So it's getting a bit dark, so our solar lights are on now. You can see around the tent here. Laura got that all set up for us. We've been charging the lights, the panels, putting on the dashboard of the van we'll be driving around. Because it's not too much sun in here, but out on the roads on the highway it was nice and sunny today. So not everyone knows this, but Mountain Dew wasn't just gamer fuel and for extreme sports. It's actually the original mixer for whiskey. So I've never actually mixed these two things together, so cheers. That's good. Nice and citrusy. After a long day camping, that's the spot. In part 2, we explore a spooky cabin. We're going to check out all the viewpoints, make some pancakes, take a drive to Coombs and find some goats on a roof, and go on a nice nature walk with the kids. See you next time.